Now we have to control the oxygen using this one. And once you connect this, do not remove again and again. Just keep it as it is. The second thing what we are doing, every time what we are going to do is, this water bottle can be removed from here. The humidifier bottle basically. Remove it from here. Put the water up to maximum level. Put it like this. And okay, that's it. Now the next procedure is connect the mask. Open it. It has same type of the connectors. So one we connect it here. And one will connect it here. Okay. Now, do not put it to the patient immediately until you start the oxygen, because when you put it, it will block the airflow immediately, right? So only flow will be using the oxygen. So now when we start the oxygen, what needs to be done is, do not start it on 5 liters immediately or 10 liters immediately. Start it gradually, 1 liter. After 2 minutes, 2 liters. Okay, stop it there. Then check with the oximeter in just 3 minutes only. You just wait and just check using the oximeter if the oxygen saturation level is above 95. The basic funda of this is when the oxygen level goes down. Okay, we have to supply the oxygen to the patient and bring his saturation level up to above 95. Basic. That's the funda of this. Okay. So what we will do is, we will start it here for 1 liter, okay, and then we will connect it like this. Okay, now I have not filled the water here, so but if the water is filled, it will use the humidifier and it will supply the oxygen, pure oxygen. Okay. Now you can see here you can show. So once we start supplying the oxygen for 1 liter, this red symbol will come up. Okay, you can connect the meter. Yeah. Take that also. Okay. Now if you make it for 2, you can just increase it like this. So this is anti-clockwise. Okay. Water has to be filled. Don't give the oxygen without water. And this water can be changed every 6 to 7 hours. Okay, let's not waste it. And now you connect it. You connect it like this. Put it. That's it. If you give the oxygen immediately to the patient, it can create the problem to the lungs as well. So increase it gradually and check his saturation level if he is maintaining above the 90 or at least above the 95. Okay. So the flow is up to 15 liters here. So maximum up to 15 liters we can give. That's it. Okay. But if the patient is maintaining the saturation level above 90 on the 15 liters, that means he is a bit critical. He has to get shifted to the ICU as soon as possible. Okay. This is just a temporary measure.
However, if the patient is maintaining the saturation level above 95 with just the supply of 2 liters or 3 liters, he is doing good. Don't get scared immediately, but try to shift him to the hospital as soon as possible. So until you get the bed in the hospital, you can use this oxygen facility as a temporary measure.